Kita niya, di ba? So, and argan oil is also good for children. So, it's generally regarded as safe. Kasi, pwede sa bata. And later, you will also find out it can be used by pregnant women. I don't know, this is an actual individual who used argan oil. So, kita niya yung dry skin, kita niya ng improvement. Wala bang, siguro sa'yo pakipatay yung ilaw para makita maigi. Diba? So, actual, user of argan oil. Yun. O, yan, kitang-kita, diba? Yung dry skin niya, no? 2 weeks after. Ganun siya ka-effective. Eh, lalo na yung aura. Kasi certified. So, argan oil is surprisingly, pwede siya sa dry skin. Surprisingly, pwede rin siya sa oily skin. Because it regulates sebum production to keep the skins not there. I remember a while ago, I told you, the EFA in argan oil regulates the sebum production. Kaya, pwede rin siya sa oily skin. With regular use, the skin will no longer look and feel oily. Diba? So this is an actual patient. Argan oil is also valuable in the treatment of acne. Kasi nga, meron siyang anti-inflammatory properties. This again is an actual patient or client who used argan oil. So totoo yan. Remember, sabi ko nga, pag may pula, inflammation yan. Ang argan oil has anti-inflammatory properties. And, diba pagka may mga pula-pula nangingitim, yung scar, pimple, or nagpipit, lumalalim, argan oil can also prevent scars from pimples because it regenerates the skin. So these are actual patients or clients who you... So these are actual clients. These are actual individuals who use argan oil. Diba? So kita nyo naman sa pimple, diba? Nagki-clear talaga. Nice, diba? Oo. So argan oil is also effective in delaying the signs of aging. It stimulates, why? Because argan oil stimulates the renewal of skin cells that boost elasticity while smoothing wrinkles and lines. And, pinaka-importante, maraming yung problema niyan, dark circles. Dahil saan? What component of argan oil can it causes the improvement of dark circles? Vitamin E. The vitamin E in argan oil encourages the improvement of dark circles under the eye. May problema niyan.
Yes.
Sabihin mo, dapat 10 kutsara ilalagay na. Tama? Tama! Yung parang hinihiga ka. Parang mabilis ang benta, next week tinatawagan ka. Dawan mo naman akong argan oil. Sabi mo, paper ka na kasi mas mura. Anyway, so, kita niyo. Okay, ito ang anti-aging effect ng argan oil. Again, these are actual unretouched photos of individuals who really used argan oil. Kita niyo naman ang change. Tandaan mo yan, sir. Kailangan mo yan. Nakita mo din na rin siya? So, all I'm saying here is, effective talaga siya magpabata ang argan oil. Okay? Ay naman, sir. Malapit ka na gumumayad dyan, no? 2 weeks lang. So, yung mga smokers lang, yung mga nagyoyosi. Yeah.
Is it used once a day or may specific?
Twice a day ang lagay nila. Soak your face. Anyway, abang hilamos mo. So, anyway, so bottom line, it maintains skin elasticity. Limiting the appearance of stress. Kasi nga, di ba, ang stretch marks kasi, ang stretch benchmark kasi, di ba, ang cause yan yung elasticity ng skin. Yung ano kaya nag-break. So, pagka argan oil, di ba, increases the elasticity of the skin. So, pwede siya gamitin sa buntis. Bukod siya, pwede siya sa bata, pwede sa buntis. Kaya huwag niyo ako i-message, Doc, pwede bang argan oil sa bata? Di ba? Nilecture ko na. Ulitin pa. May message ako niya ni Jmar, Doc, pwede ba yung argan oil sa buntis? Sasabihin ko lang sa kanya, James, tumigil ka ha. Attend ka, tapos di ka nakinig. Anyway, argan oil, as I mentioned earlier, is also effective against eczema and psoriasis because of the presence of prostaglandin. Diba? So it prevents and elevates. You will be surprised that there is a patient actually who improved exclusively by using argan oil na ano ba? Anan or buni. Yan, buni yan. Ang ibig sabihin lang yan, kahit na puti ka, binubuni ka rin. Wala, di ba? Yan na, ibig sabihin yan. Oo, buniin siya. Kaya lang wala nga because of argan oil. So, ibig sabihin, anti-fungal. Kaya mga nagme-message, Doc, anong oral soap ang pwede sa anan? Pwede ba? Argan oil, sabihin mo kay Chief, bilisan. So, which means, pwede rin siya anti-fungal. Argan oil is actually also good for the hair. It repairs damaged hair, moisturizes instantly, prevents bleach ends while restoring shine, increase hair growth, and helps control, cure, and prevent dry, itchy scalp. You will be surprised. Anyway, the high fatty acids present in argan oil makes eliminate the brittleness of the hair. Kasi kaya pag brittle ang hair mo, di ba nag-straighten? Saka styling din, di ba? So, it makes your hair shiny and